In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Perplexity AI in n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable credential set up so you can drop Perplexity into any workflow without re-entering keys each time. First, open n8n and look to the left sidebar. Select Personal to view your personal workspace settings, then switch to the Credentials tab. This is where n8n securely stores the connections you'll use across workflows. In the top right, click Create Credential. Think of a credential as a safe, reusable container for your API access details. A modal will appear asking what service you want to connect. Use the search bar to type Perplexity. Then select the Perplexity option from the results and click Continue. This tells n8n which type of connection you're setting up, so it can show the correct fields. You'll now see the fields required for the API connection. Have your Perplexity API key ready from your account. Carefully paste it into the appropriate field, and consider giving the credential a clear name and short description so you can recognize it later when you're building workflows. Keep in mind that credentials are sensitive, so treat this information like a password and avoid sharing it in screenshots or exports. Before saving, double-check for extra spaces when pasting, and make sure everything looks accurate. If your n8n instance supports multiple scopes or environments, confirm you're saving the credential to the right place so it's available where you plan to build. When you're confident the details are correct, click Save. That's all it takes to register your Perplexity connection with n8n. With the credential saved, you can use it in your workflows right away. When you add a Perplexity-related node to a workflow, look for the credentials or authentication field inside that node's settings, and choose the credential you just created from the dropdown. From that point on, the node will use your saved connection, which keeps your flows cleaner and more secure. If you duplicate or export workflows, the credential stays managed in n8n, so you don't have to expose your key in the workflow itself. And there you go. You've created a Perplexity credential in n8n, saved it securely, and made it available for any workflow where you want to bring in Perplexity's capabilities. If anything doesn't connect as expected, revisit the credential, verify the key is valid, and save again. Otherwise, you're ready to build. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!